Hey guys, and welcome to another video and another episode on how-to guides. Today we are going to get this rear light off a Honda CRV Mk2. And the first step is to open the boot, and then you go to the top, just because that's closest to us, because we're very tall. And we're going to take this little clip off just with a small screwdriver, and it will be the same for the bottom one, but we're just going to go for the top one first. Pop the screwdriver in and just lever that little clip out, just like that. Move that out of the way, and we'll do the same to the bottom clip. With both clips removed, we can now see there's bolts in here. It looks like you can use a crosshead screwdriver. I would not recommend this because you probably will round this and it'll be a pig to get out. So the best thing to do is use an 8mm socket. And same with the bottom one. And now we've got those bolts removed, all we've got to do is just you need two hands really, so you've got to get one sort of round here, one sort of round here, and you just pull that, and you do the same across the bottom, and then this whole light removes. And what's holding those in is these little plastic clips. Try not to break those, but don't stress too much. These are easily able to get hold of on eBay or Amazon, so yeah, don't worry too much about those, but they'll generally be okay. They just clip into the body up there. And there we have it, the rear light is removed. If you want to replace the bulbs, then you've just got to twist these little bulbs off. They twist and then just pull out, and it'll be the same with whatever bulb you want to replace. If you want to get the whole loom out, then you have to undo this grommet. And we're just showing you that plug on the interior trim there. We've just learned ourselves that you can actually go through here and put a long pry bar or screwdriver just in that hole where the lube comes out. We just use this tool and we just poked the plug away from the plastic because it holds on to the, away from the metal because it holds on to the metal, and that just pried the plug out without breaking it as well. You see where it slides onto it. You can access that, and then you see the back of the plug there. We just got to undo that, and that will set this free. And here's the whole light in my hand. So after all that, we didn't need to undo the plastic trim, but at least I could show you the plastic trim. So this was a how to or how not to, and just goes to show that we learn every single day, even when we're doing something, because even I've just learned that. So yeah, that's the rear light out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped one of you. There's plenty more stuff in this Honda to undo, so we're going to show you as we go on, as we undo things, and sort of call it a how-to guide because this is our first time experience undoing it all, and hopefully that helps you guys if you're doing any of this Honda stuff or any other vehicles. So just give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we'll put more effort into all of these videos, and hopefully it will help a lot of you guys. See you later, and see you on the next one.